Child Abduction Emergency. Stay quiet, Wolfie. Oh no, it's that voice again. Okay, volume it up, dude. Because I can't understand him, really.
At 12 p.m. on John 11, 2020, effective until 2 p.m.
John 11.
In Florida, Amber Alert has been issued for Kimberly Newberry Euler, white female, 13 years old, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 100
13 years
pounds,
old.
red hair and blue eyes.
That's shorter than me,
Seen
though.
in the area of the
Still, but
2500 block of Southeast Duff Street in Hope Sound, Florida. She was last seen wearing a black and white striped shirt, black pants with red and white stripe, and white rock shoes. Kimberly may be in the company of 2 white adult males traveling in a black 2-door truck with roof rack. They may have traveled to the Port St. Lucie, Florida area. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Martin County Sheriff's Office at 772-220-7170 or 911-Flamber.
holy shit, this is a 13-year-old who'd been abducted by 2 men.